That's a great way to start the vlog. It is the end, towards the end of the day on Monday. It's 4 o'clock in the afternoon. I have to do the dishes because they're piling up. Got some more chores, Christmas chores done today, and a couple more last minute gifts that have come in or that we bought wrapped. And then I crocheted a cute little owl. I'm loving this pattern. There's 2 more owls in the pattern that I think I'm going to make. Here's the one that we've made already. He's kind of cute. Anyway, I just finished with that. Repacked the crochet case with the next owl yarn, and we're good to go. I think I'm going to go just relax for a few more minutes. And then I should do some chores. Tomorrow's a babysitting day, so I've got to get some stuff done today while I can. We do have a few international Christmas cards to send out, and I'm going to have 1 box to send out, but I'm going to do that all on Wednesday. Friday is family dinner night this week, but it's also Christmas with the kids and my dad. We get 3 Christmas celebrations this year, starting Friday. So it's a little crazy. Anyway, I'm gonna sit in the quiet and hide when I can, where I can, and just crochet or something, because sounds like a plan to me. All right, I'll be back. So, lovely, it's raining. I found some fraudulent account charges on my PayPal account. Got those taken care of. Don't mess with me. And finished the owl, as you saw. He turned out super cute. Got everything ready for the next one. I'm gonna do some chores. First, I'm gonna go brave the rain and check the mail. Yeah. Don't really want to, but I'll be back. Hey guys, it is the end of Tuesday, December 17th, babysitting day. Little Mister had a tough day today. He's been sick with a cold over the weekend, and he's recovering. He's on the tail end of it, but towards the end of the day, he just wasn't feeling good, so Daddy came and got him early. I have just been sitting here since he went home. I did a few quick chores, and I'm just sitting up here. I need to go downstairs and put some laundry in the dryer. I'm going to keep working on another owl. I have the pattern I got on Etsy is got 3 owl patterns in it, so I'm going to do the white and black owl next. I don't have the right color eyes and the right size for the owl, so I'll have to use black ones and then just outline them with some brown yarn, because most of my eyes are solid black that I have. So there's that. Anyway, I know, exciting, right? I also had a really great talk with my friend Leslie McGrath today. She's finally starting to feel better. She's been sick for quite a while now, and yay! It was really great to talk to her. So anyway, I think that's it for the minute. Taking as many relaxing breaks as I can before the holiday madness starts, you know. All right. And of course, again, like, we're ending 2024 with me being just behind on daily drawings, which I've been doing for so long, and suddenly I just can't seem to do them every day. I'm behind again, like 4 days or something. Anyway, I will catch up in the morning before I do anything else. I'll do all the ones I'm missing through tomorrow, and then I will probably take a day over the weekend and do the rest of the year and just get it done. Yeah, I want to continue to do daily drawing next year. I'm not sure I want to do my own word list, though. I think I want to do somebody else's word list. I think it's less stressful for me, and although I've had the fun time combining a couple of random words from a couple different lists, one of which is my own, and coming up with kooky drawings, I think that I need to make it a little simpler for me going forward for a little bit, and so I think that's what we'll do. But my patrons and supporters, I may still do word lists for them, and we do have another project for the year. So, and that's already done and ready to upload for them, so... All right. And yes, it's pitch black outside and rainy. So, all right, I'm going to get my other owl out and I'm going to start working on that. We've got to work on the eye patches and yeah, I think that's it. I'll be back. Okay, guys, so what's the one thing I hate the most about Christmas?
Shopping.
Shopping. Oh, Lord. We were really hoping that the days right before and right after our Christmas celebration, we wouldn't have to shop. Except that when you're having 3 of them and 2 of the 3 are at your house, that's just not possible. So Friday family dinner night is a Christmas celebration. We just did some last minute shopping for that. And Saturday for Christmas Day, which is also a thing with a bunch of family over, we have to go do some shopping on Saturday. So anyway.
Food shopping.
Food shopping. It's crazy. The traffic is crazy. The lines are crazy. All of it's crazy. But anyway, I got another owl done. I'll put a picture here. A white one, yeah, white and black one. So I have 1 more to go. The pattern is very easy to do and a lot of fun to do. It's not a quick pattern, but that's okay. And then next, after this, we'll be doing a bunch of insects, moths, butterflies, ladybugs, that sort of thing. So
that'll be interesting.
Yeah. All right. That's it for the minute. I'll be back. Hey guys. So it is Thursday morning, December 19th. It is supposed to be babysitting day, but little man's been feeling under the weather. So he's actually at a doctor's appointment, and depending on what the doctor says and or mom and dad feel, he may or may not be coming over. I don't know yet. So there's that. I did catch up on daily drawings this morning and my daily writing that I do about my day. Caught up on all that. I do have some crocheting I want to do. Will I get it done? Will depend on if little mister is coming over or not. Actually, that'll just depend on how much of it I get done. So we'll have to see. I don't know. Anyway, that's it for the minute. Just kind of putting stuff away. We have family Christmas dinner tomorrow and unwrapping gifts. That will, again, maybe depend on if little mister's, feeling okay. We'll see. Anyway, that's it for the minute. I'm going to listen to some YouTube and drink my super greens, and I will be back. Good morning, everybody. It is Saturday morning, December 21st. No, I don't think I vlogged at all yesterday. It was Friday the 20th, and it was our first of 3 Christmas celebrations. It was crazy, but it was fun. So we got that over with. And spent a lot of really great time with family. And oh my gosh, Junior loves opening presents. He loves playing with the paper. He could care less what's in it. He just loves playing with the paper. That was funny. My dad just left to go home. Bob is getting dressed. We have to go out and do more food shopping because we have 2 more celebrations coming up, and one is at the kids' house. Don't have to do anything really much for that except bring over a couple of chairs. The other one is here. So we need some more food, and we just found out we need a couple extra gifts because we found out people are coming that we didn't know were coming. Seems to always happen at Christmas time, right? And so we're going to go take care of that today. And yeah, I got a really great wooden Swift and yarn ball winder for Christmas, which I can't wait to start using. I will put a picture here, and I just set them up a few minutes ago. So that is going to be a lot of fun. But anyway, I am going to do some needlework later today, but right now I just need to print this document, and then I need to do some laundry, and then we need to go do the shopping. I just want to get the shopping. The shopping is going to be chaos. One of the places we need to go is the big box discount store, Costco. And it's just, I'm dreading it so much. Anyway, we're going to get that done, and I'll be back. Okay, guys. We're in the car again. Can you tell by how dark it is?
It's dark.
Yeah, and where's the light switch thing up here?
Just push on it there.
Oh, there we go. How long have we had the car? Still don't know how to turn the interior lights on.
You don't know anything. Oh, look, there's some lights.
Not that it helped a lot. Anyway, it is 8:05 p.m. on Saturday, December 21st. The clip you just saw is, yes, of me knitting.
No way.
I know. While I have been in the very distant past a published machine knitting pattern author, specifically on the Bond knitting machine. While I have been in the very distant past a published designer for the Bond knitting machine. That was a very long time ago, and I didn't really dabble too much into hand knitting. I did hand knit, but not a lot, and it's been a really long time since I did any, so to say I'm rusty is an understatement of the century. But there is a channel here on YouTube called Nimble Needles. He also has a website. I love his video on how to knit because it's very thorough, very to the point. He even does slow motion hand movements, which is great. When you can't even remember how to cast on, helps a lot. But anyway, so I got a yarn gifted to me from the kids when they went to Ireland, and it's just a little bit of yarn, but it should be enough to make a beanie. So that's what I'm working on, and it's beautiful yarn. I will actually link the website that the company the yarn came from down below. Blarney something. It's a tweed yarn. It's really great to work with. Anyway, and it's nice and soft. It's not too scratchy. But anyway, all that aside, I spent the afternoon crocheting once we got back. And now, though, we're going to go look at Christmas lights. Something we wanted to do tonight. We almost forgot. And, oh, we should go down there, too. So we're going to go drive around the city and go look at Christmas lights. I'll take you with us where I can, and I'll be back. Think when it's dark out like it is right now, that turning on the light in here really helps a whole lot. The problem with that is it's winter, it gets dark at 4 o'clock. Anyway, side tangents aside.
Side tangents aside?
Yeah, so the last set of Christmas lights you just saw, and the millions of people that were there, is a part of historic Portland. called Peacock Lane, and they do a very large holiday display on the street. And I don't know if you're going to be able to see behind me because it's dark, but in also sometimes the surrounding neighborhood. They've been doing it since 1932. So it was really fun, and they go all out, man. I would not want to know. Okay.
I'm just stopping him.
He was in a hurry. I would not want to know what their electric bill is, because, yeah. Anyway.
Yeah.
It was an adventure, but walking around Portland in the cold in winter time at 10 o'clock at night.
It was fun.
It was an adventure.
It was fun.
It was fun. But yeah, we're gonna head home now. I still have a few things to do before I can go to bed. So anyway, I hope you guys are having a fun time with the holiday season, that despite the chaos and the craziness that I know can happen, that you're taking times to do like little things, like just look at the Christmas lights in the neighborhood, something like that. Enjoy what you can. And you know, if you have big crazy holiday dinners like we're having at our house, we've already had one, we're gonna have another one. You know what? Let the kids help you do the dishes and clean up. You know, just enjoy the moment. Cleanup will happen. Like, don't freak out about it. Don't be me.
Don't freak out there.
I know, I try not to. Anyway, that's it. I hope you all have a great holiday season. We'll have one more vlog coming up that will show Christmas stuff. After that, we'll get back to our regularly scheduled stuff, broadcast. Anyway, that's it for the moment. Like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to check out the video description for relevant links. Oh, there's some light. And above all, go out and do something nice for yourself, because you deserve it. I'll see you later. Bye, guys.